Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat, either on the floor, a bed, the ground, or a chair. Or maybe you just find a comfortable space to lie down. Either place is fine. And take a moment to ground yourself into that surface. Once you've done that, you can allow the eyes to close. And we'll begin this meditation with 3 breaths. Inhaling and exhaling both in and out of the nose. So when you're ready, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And we'll start with just recognizing our current thoughts. So take a moment to recognize what you're thinking about right now in this moment. You may be thinking about events of the day, or those of the weekend, or the past week. We're just here to acknowledge those thoughts. By acknowledge, I mean just recognize the thoughts. But try not to expand on them. Just simply recognize it and allow it to be. And we'll take 3 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And our most common thoughts that we usually have are the ones of what we have to do. So in other words, we are constantly creating to-do lists in our head. So here we just want to recognize what we are putting on those to-do lists. What are you thinking about that you have to do later on after this meditation? Maybe your thoughts wander to what you need to cook, or the laundry you need to do, or the project at work that you may need to complete. And just know that all of these things are okay. Again, we are just acknowledging these thoughts. We'll take 3 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And now that we have acknowledged our thoughts, Let's see if we can create a little bit of space in our minds. So we are going to take about 5 breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. On each exhale, let's see if we can let go of each of those thoughts that popped up in our mind. So when you're ready, inhale and exhale. 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 And now that we've created a little bit of space within our mind, let's enjoy that space for the next couple of breaths on your own. Now begin to bring your attention back to your breath. And we'll do 3 more deep breaths to end this meditation. Take an inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And you can allow the eyes to gently open. Thank you for listening to this meditation. I hope that you will use this throughout your day whenever you need to create a little bit of space within your mind. Namaste.